Echoes of Nature. Today, we're diving into the depths of the ocean to meet the one and only sarcastic fringehead, a fish so dramatic, it could star in its own reality show. Let's explore 5 amazing facts about this feisty little creature. At number 1, not actually sarcastic. Despite its cheeky name, the sarcastic fringehead isn't being sarcastic at all. It's simply named for its bold and comical behavior, particularly during territorial disputes. At number 2, fierce territorial displays. The sarcastic fringehead is known for its aggressive and highly visual displays, mouth opening wide and confronting rivals by literally pressing their open mouths together in a showdown. At number 3, mouth like a monster. With an enormous, colorful mouth, the sarcastic fringehead can expand its jaw to an alarming size, intimidating both prey and predators. At number 4, found along the Pacific coast. This fascinating fish is native to the Pacific Ocean, especially along the coasts of California, where it lives in rocky crevices and abandoned burrows. At number 5, small but feisty. Despite measuring only about 8 to 12 inches long, the sarcastic fringehead's aggressive personality makes it one of the most feared creatures of its size. The sarcastic fringehead may be small, but it certainly knows how to put on a show. With its bold personality and unique behaviors, it's one of the ocean's most entertaining creatures. If you enjoyed learning about this underwater drama queen, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Echoes of Nature. Let us know in the comments what animal we should uncover next.